Have you seen these cool gradient trail animations? Right now it's trending on social media, and many motion designers use this gradient trail background in their projects. And today we are going to learn how to create this gradient trail animation in After Effects. So let's create a new composition and give it a name. You can see my composition settings on the screen. First of all, I'm going to create a new solid layer and name it 1. You can choose any color, it doesn't matter. Next, I'm going to choose the pen tool. Make sure your layer is selected. Simply create a vertical mask over this solid layer. Let me change the mask path color so you can see it clearly. After that, I go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for the Thick Stroke effect. By the way, you can download this Thick Stroke plugin from the AE script. It's absolutely free. Simply download and install it into your After Effects to use it. I already installed it in my system, so I simply drag and drop it onto this solid layer. Once I add it, you can see a vertical taper stroke automatically created in our composition. Let's look at its settings. As you can see, we have Mask 1 in our layer. That's why this effect automatically detects the Mask 1 path and creates a vertical stroke line. The next thing is that we can control the width of the stroke line. For now, I'm going to set 50% for both to make an even width. Below it, you can see the width multiplier. You can increase or decrease the width from here. Next, if you look at the gradient editor from here, we can change the color of this stroke line. My suggestion is to keep the start and end color points the same for accuracy. Between them, you can add multiple colors. Keep in mind that they only add white and black color, just like I created here. Now, if you look carefully, you can see the color has a round shape. We have to change it. For that, I'm going to change its cap to butt cap. Now it looks perfect. Now here is the important part. Just below it, there is a cycle option. If I increase or decrease the value, you can see our gradient color animating upward and downward. Now I'm going to animate this cycle value with an expression. Simply open the expression panel and type a simple expression called time times 600. Now our gradient trail is going upward in the positive direction. If you want to change the direction to downward, all you need to do is simply add a minus symbol before the number. And the gradient trails go downwards. Moving forward now, I'm going to duplicate this layer and move it slightly to the right side just like this. Then I double press E on the keyboard to reveal the expression. Then I'm going to change the value to around 580. Click anywhere to confirm. Once again, I duplicate the layer and this time move it to the left side. If I play the preview, you can see we got some variation in the animation. That's why we changed the expression value. So the basic concept is that each time you duplicate the layer and move it to the left or right side, you have to decrease the number by 20 to get an even variation. To fill this composition with these gradient trails, you have to repeat this process manually until you fill up the composition. Now, I have almost filled up the composition with this technique. Now you can see the animation preview and it looks great. Now it's time to colorize this effect. Before that, simply pre-compose these layers and name it Animation. Check this box and click. Next, I'm going to search for the Colorama effect and simply add it to this composition. First of all, I'm going to uncheck the Modify Alpha checkbox. Then I'm going to simply remove the unnecessary colors just like this. Now I'm going to add some more color points, as I want in this design. You can add multiple colors as per your requirements to colorize this design. That's why we created a black and white design earlier. Now I'm going to show you how to create an arch. For that, I simply search for the warp effect and add it to this layer. Then I'm going to change the warp style to squeeze. You can control the bend value from here. Now it's ready to use. That's how you can create a gradient trail animation in After Effects. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.